Hello everyone, Tony Cargos here, VR AR Expo China. Me again, special cameraman Yap from Pimax. Say hello to the people here. Anyway, I'm trying for the first time in my life this that everyone wanted to try the Pimax Dream Air. So this is the standard one, it's not the SC, I guess. So they were trying air car. So let me put, I haven't tried it yet. So this is really like first impressions, first for real. So this is a prototype, first of all. So not the final version. So there may be problems, is to be expected. So first impression, the resolution is pretty cool. This is what I can say. The colors are pretty bright. There is the glowing lights of the city, which really have a powerful color, which this red I'm seeing now is really red, and the black is really black. So I think anyway having OLED displays makes this difference. So the POV looks a bit smaller than I would like to, but this is speaking with Yap is that actually it should be normal, at least like the other headset I tried, but it may be something related to the distortions in the periphery of the vision that makes me appear the image on the periphery a bit blurred, so maybe my eyes is a bit ignoring that part. As I said, prototype, so for instance there is a bit of warping and also some proportions to fix on the thing. But I have to say that on the visual side, if they fix the various problems that I have now in the prototype phase, it has potential. Regarding the weight, let me keep the cable up for a moment. The weight is very lightweight. So the headset is doesn't weigh much on the head. Even if I don't have the top strap, let's say like on the other headset, it doesn't seem like a huge problem because it's really light. It can really fit on my head, and the size also is small. I mean, it's not like the Quest. It's not like a shoebox on the face. I don't have a big screen beyond to make a comparison between the colors, the resolution, blah 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 blah, and also the big screen now is a product. You can buy it online. This is still a prototype. I can say that my final impression for now is that it has potential. So it's something that can really become a very cool PCVR headset. So now I'm seeing this black and I'm like, wow, black again. After so many years using LCD headsets myself, it's pretty cool. So again, colors and resolutions look amazing. Form factor look amazing. There is some work to do on the software, the lenses probably to make them work well together, and of course to finalize the whole thing. Okay, so maybe also making the cable a bit more lightweight, or at least as they said in the communication about it, splitting it between left and right, because now the cable is a bit bigger and on one side. So of course that's why they want to split it, because the headset is very thin. So the cable can have a real effect in move it on one direction. So if it is split, it's much better. And for the rest, yeah, I've, nothing much to say for now about this quick impression and the current state of the product. If I remember well, it's expected to be out in Q3. Let me just make people see it from all the angles. So this is the front, again, prototype, so things will change probably. But you can see is small. If I put my hand here, it's the comparison is interesting. These are the lenses. I can also remove the thing. Let's see if we can make it through the lens. I don't know if you managed to see something. You see the resolution is incredible. Really good one. So can't wait for this to become better. Maybe in Q3, Job can come to Italy and bring this to me. It's something you may consider. Jokes apart, really good device, and there will be also this IPD adjustment. People, which is also asymmetric, so people with can. No, don't worry. People that have like I don't know, the left eye a bit more on the left than on the nose than the right one, they still can find a good fit. So this is for the Pimax Dream Air. I think as a let's keep an eye on it. Here, me, Tony Cargos, Yap, VR AR Expo. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day in VR. Bye bye.